design a sales funnel in your business, I'm sure you already know lead generation is one of the crucial parts of it. For successful lead generation, you need a well-planned landing page. But do you know a squeeze page is one of the best landing page tactic for lead generation? Hey everyone, this is Sadia from WPFunnels, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use the squeeze page funnel easily in WordPress to get more leads. First things first, what exactly is a squeeze page? A squeeze page is a special landing page where your only goal is to collect targeted leads for your business. The purpose of this page is to offer a lead magnet that is free, has a great value, and your targeted audience will be genuinely interested in it. So if you have a good copy and offer a great value, you can start getting leads easily. Now, the success rate of a squeeze page is higher than any other lead generation landing page is because there's no unnecessary distraction. All they have to do is just enter their email address and get the free value. Let's see a squeeze page. Now here I am offering a digital marketing ebook for free. You see, I have highlighted some benefits, a simple opt-in, and that's it. There is no unnecessary distraction. All I'm asking is an email address to get this book. People usually pay for this stuff, but here I am giving it for free. You should definitely use it because later you can offer your main product or service to them. Alright? Just keep three things in mind. You should have a benefit-rich copy, a direct CTA, and an opt-in form with minimal fees. This will help your visitors to learn about the offer and take an immediate action. Always remember, your offer on the squeeze page must be something that your targeted audience might be interested in. So whichever form of resources you want to offer, make sure it's well prepared and has a real value. Now let's see how you can create a squeeze page funnel within WordPress in less than 10 minutes. So here I am on the dashboard of WPFunnels. Now to create a new funnel, click on this option. Here you'll see many templates for different niches. So as we are creating a lead generation funnel, so I'll select here lead gen templates. So here you see the template I have shown you in the example. So let's just preview it. So this is the landing page. So if I enter here an email address, it will redirect me to the thank you page. As you see, there are two steps, landing and the thank you. That's all you need to collect leads, right? But if you want to create any custom step, you can do it using WPFunnels. Now let's just import the funnel. It will take you to the canvas where you can plan your funnel visually. Now let's design the pages. For that, click on the edit option. So this is the editing page for the squeeze page. Now one thing to remember, I'm using Elementor here, but you can use your preferred page builder. Alright? So here you can change every single content, the heading, the image. There's the opt-in form, basically every single thing. This opt-in form is a widget of WPFunnels, so you don't need any form builder for it. Here you can change the layout, choose your fees, edit the submit button, and also edit the actions after submission. Alright? So here I will change the dummy content and add the benefits. I'll just update it. And I'm done. Now let's go to the thank you page. Here you will follow the same process for editing. Alright? So that's easily you can create a squeeze page lead generation funnel within WordPress. So if you have the copy ready, it will take you less than 10 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Use this funnel template and start getting leads for your business. I have given the link to WPFunnels in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. That's it for today. See you in the next video.